6 years ago was the first time I had come to Pune, and I had come here to especially learn Japanese at TME. TME offers a BA MA course in Japanese. Hi everyone, I'm Rehdish. I'm the head chef and co-owner at Ginkgo Pune, which is a very homely and casual Japanese restaurant in Kothurud in Pune. One of the major things that the Society of Japan runs on is the idea of omoiyari. Omo is to think and yaru is to give. So a thought that is giving to others.
Between all of these things, like, do you feel like you need to make food that is more Instagrammable?
One of the things I always try to do with Japanese food or any food that I try to cook is portray it the way it is. It is home food for someone else. It is comfort food for someone else. So it need not be made fancy. It need not be portrayed in a light that you know it's very like hoity-toity. It is gharcha jeevan for someone else. Akash, dashi paper please. Cloth that's used to strain it is also very specific. You can't use like any cloth which is washed with detergent. It will give that detergent taste to it. So people who work at the restaurants or even guests who go to these restaurants are not allowed to wear perfume, and they might refuse you entry if you are wearing perfume. This is the bonito flakes, the fish flakes. So a lot of people will say, why don't you use suka bombil or dry fish? It's not possible because this goes through a very long process. It's boiled, then it's dried in the sun, then it's smoked, then it's flocculated with a fungus that eats into the moisture, and then they repeat this 2 to 3 times over 6 months. So it becomes really hard, like you can really beat a nail into the wall with it.
People who will come here, have food, what was the experience that you would like to create for them?
Food is perishable artwork. You can't make food and wait till the time comes to sell it. You have to sell it when it's made. I want everyone to have that personal experience. I want everyone to listen to that story before creating an image of Japanese food. I really want people to take that back home with them कि ये किसी और का comfort food है, ये किसी और का घर का खाना है, ये किसी और के माँ के हाथ का स्वाद है.